Hey, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to TeamVRY, and today we're taking a look at the Google Pixel 8. Now I'm pretty excited about this smartphone. I have been looking forward to it this year, and for this video I just want to show you guys the Pixel 8 and what you can expect with Google's newest flagship smartphone. Let's get started. Alright, so for this one, I just want to give you guys a quick tour of the phone as well as what you can expect in terms of software and hardware features with the Pixel 8. Now we have covered a ton of different devices here on TeamVRY, and yeah, if you want to check out our older videos, I'm going to drop some links below, and with that said, let's get started with this one. Right, so unboxing the Pixel 8, it is a very simple and straightforward affair. As with other Google smartphones, you just get the phone itself as well as some other accessories, including your SIM tray tool, some paperwork, a USB-C charging cable, as well as a USB-A to USB-C adapter. Now speaking about the design of the Pixel 8, it feels a bit similar to the Pixel 7 except for some key changes such as the more compact size thanks to the smaller display, as well as the more rounded corners on the phone. Now it does retain the aluminum frame that goes around the phone and extends into the camera bar behind the smartphone, as well as the glossy Gorilla Glass back. And as you can see, we have the black version here with us, which is actually a nice looking color. It actually reminds me of the Pixel 4a in terms of the overall pocket friendliness as well as the rounded corner design. Overall, it's a solidly designed smartphone. I do like what Google has done here. They've been keeping consistent with the design of their smartphones, and there's not much to complain about the Pixel 8's overall look. Now, of course, we do get some upgrades such as the display. While it might be smaller this time at 6.2 inches versus 6.3 on the Pixel 7, it is a lot brighter. And of course, it does come with a smoother 120Hz refresh rate, which is a major upgrade compared to the 90Hz refresh rate on last year's Pixel 7. Now, it does come with a slightly larger battery as well, and we will update you guys with more battery testing results in future videos with the Pixel 8. This is a first impressions video after all, and yeah, you can look forward to more videos in the future. And the same goes for the overheating problem. I know that we've had some issues with overheating on the Pixel 7 and Tensor G2, but with the G3 chip, we've been hearing some promising things about it in terms of thermal management and battery performance. And with the upgrades that we got with Android 14, there's a lot to look forward to, especially when it comes to the phone's endurance capabilities. Now, it does charge slightly faster at 27 watts, but of course, this doesn't really hold a candle to the insane charging speeds that we've seen on the Chinese brands like Xiaomi, Oppo, and OnePlus. But as far as Google hardware is concerned, this is a pretty considerable upgrade. Right now though, in terms of performance, the Tensor G3 was able to handle the games that I tried running on the phone. I didn't really experience any serious lag or stutters. And while it's not on the same level as a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, so far it is pretty satisfying, at least as far as Pixel smartphones are concerned. Now with that said, the main highlight of the Tensor G3, however, is the AI capabilities of the chipset. Now, some features are going to be exclusive to the Pixel 8 Pro at the moment. We still have to wait if Google decides to bring these AI photography and video features down to the Pixel 8 and to the Pixel 7. And as with the other aspects of this phone, I will be sure to update you guys in future videos. But yeah, if you're getting a Pixel phone, you're not really getting it because of its hard-hitting performance or because you want to run a ton of games on it. It's more designed for AI performance, software features, and software optimization, which I think is a really smart move from Google in order to set itself apart from the rest of the Android competition. Alright, so before we continue with the video, I just want to thank you guys for watching. And if you liked this video or any of the other content here on TeamVRY, then do consider leaving a like and a comment below, as well as subscribing to the channel, because your support means a lot and it allows me to continue what I'm doing with the channel, which is bringing you guys tech content. So with that out of the way, let's get on with the rest of this video. Now, of course, in addition to AI, the major highlight of the Pixel 8 is going to be its camera. So it does come with a dual sensor system on the back of the phone, which is a 50 megapixel main camera alongside a 12 megapixel ultra-wide sensor and a 10 megapixel sensor on the front for selfies and video calls. Now, unlike the Pixel 8 Pro, there's no telephoto sensor here, and there's not going to be any pro camera controls, at least at the moment. Now, we're still not sure if Google intends to bring those over to the Pixel 8, but if you want to get some in-depth camera controls on your smartphone, then you're going to have to shell out a bit more for the Pixel 8 Pro. But yeah, so far the camera, as with other Pixel phones that I've tried before, is really satisfying. I really like the way that Google handles its computational photography, the way that it balances contrast, exposure, dynamic range, as well as the saturation of the photos that you get. And yeah, do let me know what you guys think in these photo and video samples. Of course, the phone also comes with a dual speaker system which flanks the display, and I do think that it sounds better compared to the speakers on the Pixel 7. Check out this quick sample. Alright, so to sum up this quick video, I do like the Pixel 8 so far. I think that it manages to get the essentials and the basics of what makes a Google Pixel phone a Pixel phone. I like the design. So far, the camera performance is on point, and I haven't really had any serious overheating with the Tensor G3 so far. With that said, as I mentioned earlier, we will update you guys with more videos on the Pixel 8 in the future, so stay tuned for those. Don't forget to check out our other Pixel videos here on Team VRY. Thanks a lot for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.